The planning section of the installation guide has a table specifically outlining those minimums.
For a search head, it lists 16 physical CPU cores as the minimum.
And for RAM, the minimum is 32 gigabytes.
It also specifies a minimum of 32 virtual CPUs for a search head.
The requirements are the same for an indexer in a production deployment.
So 16 physical CPU cores, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and 32 virtual CPUs for those as well.
It's worth noting that these are minimum specifications.
Exactly. The guides clearly state you might need to increase these based on your specific environment.
Factors like your data ingestion volume and the workload of other apps running can impact that.
They even point to mid-range and high-performance specs for the Splunk platform reference hardware if you anticipate heavier loads.
So while those minimums give you a starting point, careful capacity planning is really key.